I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, showing off another ride from Wheaton Honda.
This 2012 Mercedes-Benz GL 350 has plenty of great features and all kinds of room for friends and family. With 3 rows of seating, it can fit up to 7 passengers, or drop the power folding third row for some extra cargo space. It's equipped with a 3-liter turbo clean diesel V6, which creates 210 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. It's mated with a 7-speed automatic transmission with steering wheel paddle shifters. Need to haul a trailer to the cabin? Just throw on a hitch, and this thing can tow up to 7,500 pounds. This SUV also has excellent handling, thanks to 4MATIC all-wheel drive and its AIRMATIC suspension. It comes with keyless entry, a leather interior with heated front seats, a sunroof, dual-zone climate control, a power liftgate, power folding heated side mirrors, a backup camera, and rear park assist. You also get Bluetooth, navigation, and satellite radio.
Now, if you have any questions about this vehicle, please feel free to send them to me. You can reach me with email, Facebook, or Twitter. Just head down to Wheaton Honda and take it for a spin.